How to use Google Docs offline on phone. Let's get started. First, launch your Google Docs. Make sure you have already logged in with your Google account. In order to use Google Docs offline, you'll need to customize this setting. For that, click on three bars given at the top left. Navigate to the option settings. Now enable for this option, make recent files available offline. Now even though you're not online, you'll be able to use the recent files. You'll get access to the recent files. Likewise, for the old files, what you can do is click on three dots and select the option Make Available Offline. With this, the selected file will be available offline. Even though you are offline, you'll be able to edit these files. So that's all for this video. This way you can easily use Google Docs offline on phone. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.